channel. I hope today is good, but better watching this video. Today I'll be showing you how to make air drying clay with things that you already have in your house, and this only has 2 ingredients and you can make this in under 5 minutes, so it's super easy to make with barely no time at all, and it's so much fun to play with, and it's also called fidget clay. So before we get started, make sure you guys like, subscribe and turn your post notifications, and without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing you need is either flour or cornstarch, but if you use flour it will be a little more cracked, but it still works if you don't have cornstarch. You can use however much you want, but just use it as a ratio. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons today, but you can always double it or half it depending on how much you want. This is just the average amount you want to use at least, to make sure you have enough to play with. The next thing you need to add is half a tablespoon of either lotion, shampoo or conditioner. I'm using Johnson's 2-in-1 conditioner and shampoo today, but either should work. And then you want to add half at a time, and then if you need more you can just add more as you go. You normally want to use around 1 tablespoon of conditioner or lotion for every 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or flour you use, just so it works. And then go ahead and mix it in, but still keep all your ingredients out in case you need to adjust it, because sometimes if you use corn flour you need to add a little more lotion because it will be more dry, but then if you use flour you may need to use just 1 tablespoon, but just keep going until you find your right consistency. Now I have an optional ingredient that you can use, and that's salt. You can use table salt because it's just a lot easier, but you want around 1 teaspoon roughly. This doesn't have to be precise, but this will just keep the clay lasting longer and preserve it. Once it starts clumping together just like this, you can go in with your hands, but don't wait until it fully sticks together, because sometimes you don't know that it's quite wet and you keep adding more, but you don't need to. After 2 to 3 minutes of mixing, it should look a bit like this, and this is the correct consistency you want it to be. You want it to be quite squishy, but it shouldn't stick. Once you finish it, you can just use it like normal air drying clay or playdough. So you can make something and then leave it out for about an hour, and then it should be all hard by the time we come back. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Once you subscribe, turn your post notification button to be notified every single time I post a new video. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.